I didn't make a video about the install of the Monster Ram. There's many videos to watch if you are looking for that. But today, I didn't like that I lost the cowl cover across the engine here. We're gonna fix that with something new from Banks. Here it is. This is the new product from Banks. This is what we're gonna put over that engine. Okay, we're gonna need to add these grommets. Squeeze and put in there. All right, flip it over and then put your metals into the metal rings into the grommet from the bottom. And then we can go on to the next step. The next step will be to remove this part. That's a T30 Torx screw. Gonna remove the 210mm bolts that hold this in. Once the heat shield is removed, apply some of the included Loctite on these two bolts and then re-torque them to 18 to 20 foot-pounds. The next step will be to remove these 8mm bolts. And the back ones need a wobbly adapter. We'll get that started. These have studs on the back, so they need a deep socket. Also, this would be a great time to replace the filter if you're due for that service, because you're going to take this off. Or the CCV filter. Put this bracket on with these provided, you say they're 10mm long and they're 30 torque bit. And we're going to put that right in here. By the way, these already have Loctite on them. Gonna install this bracket on this second and third stud on the driver's side with the provided 30mm nut bolt with a washer, and these do need Loctite. Just gonna replace these wire harnesses. All right, I'm just gonna pull this out real quick. Make a mess. Large bolt is going to go in this bad boy here. All right, that one's in. And there's just 4 more, and they're the little these 3 longer bolts, still T30s. There's 3 holes here that we're gonna get them in. I would keep them loose until you know everything's lined up. This was in the way, had to move that too. That one. All right, that's it. The final step. Put the new oil fill cap on. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it helps.